elect to use them, or you may sit and allow the Senate to proceed to vote.
In concurrence with what my Senator of Kisii, the Honorable Senator Onyonka, that we have gone through challenges in Kisii, Mr. Speaker, and prompting my being presented here for impeachment. Mr. Speaker, as the House makes a determination, I will repeat what I said earlier, that for the kind of scenery that this House was put through yesterday and today, as a person, I am embarrassed and utterly unhappy about the situation that we are in. Coming to the House, Mr. Speaker, to discuss issues of my own family. I'm not born alone, Mr. Speaker. I'm born among many brothers and my father is alive. The scenario you were taken through yesterday by my second follower brother is simply a reflection of what is transpiring in the family, and it all emanates from the politics we are all in. That after the elections of last year but one, the end of the elections did not end in the family. We had to be split into two groups, one that supported my candidature and the other that did not. And so I've stood before you, Honorable Speaker, Honorable Senators, that what you've been taken through is only a reflection of what is happening back out there. What you have seen the family of Mr. Misati go through, and I want to make it clear here, Mr. Speaker, is associated with the same split in my family along political lines and the way we are divided. And so that did not come out here in our evidence, but it is the scenario, and I want to make it clear as you move to the next level. I've said it's an embarrassment as a member of parliament in the 10th parliament also, that I'm here this particular time on a matter that I'll still call a fabrication to settle political scores of the past. Mr. Speaker, I have been here as a member of this parliament and currently as the governor of Kisii. Mr. Speaker, I am known by many people of the Kisii County, Gusii, and the rest of the country that my character, my behavior will not be of the level that has been brought to this Senate. The effort that has been put within very few days, Mr. Speaker, that this impeachment comes to this level. There has been a back and forth effort that has also looped in the senator of Kisii, the religious organizations and the bishops, pastors. And Mr. Speaker, this did not see the light of the day. I want to say, honorable senators, Mr. Speaker, that as I wind up, I've heard your comments, honorable senators, and I'll do my effort to talk to the families that are affected, despite the fact or the outcome of the decision of this House. Talk to them and see what becomes of it. Mr. Speaker, I do not want to go beyond there. I want to thank you for granting us a chance to present our case before you. And where those of us, including myself as the accused, have fallen below the expectation of this country, I want to say to this House, the Senate, I tender my apologies for this scenario that we have gone through in this House, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, as I close, as a Christian, I also pray to my God, where I've wronged anyone and all those that have wronged in the line of duty. Mr. Speaker, I'll tender my regrets and prayers to my God to see me come out of this kind of picture. As I get old, my effort was that as I go to the Kisii County government, Mr. Speaker, I get to a level of service to the Kisii people where my legacy as we head to retirement from politics will leave me with a tag that will be above reproach. I want to leave it there, thanking you, Mr. Speaker, the Senate, honorable senators, and everyone who has been in this, without leaving behind the councils, team of councils who have stood with me and those who stood with the county government